And finally, we kept the best for last, how to connect Elementor tabs with carousels. So as you can see here, we have different tabs, 3 of them in total, and if I click on each one of them, it will actually be linked directly to the slider here by the side. But not only that, it will also change the whole background color of our section here. So how amazing is that? So again, you can go to our own website, you can copy this and import that immediately into Elementor and work from the demo. So let me show you how all these work together. So step number 1 is to add your tabs like we have here. So you use the tabs and tools widget, and then you create your tabs just like we did throughout this whole video several times already. So you put your title, you can create some content here, okay? And then after this, in a different column here, we can add what is called a carousel anything widget. So here you're going to create as many slides as you have tabs. So you have 3 tabs, you're going to create 3 different slides, okay? So you're going to add your title, so slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, and then you're going to select the type of content. So in our case here, this is an image, so this is going to come from a template, okay? And how do you create that template? Well, the same way we did previously, you go back to Elementor here, template, save template, you add a new one, and you're going to create 3 of them basically, okay? So I have slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and if I open this with Elementor, you will see quickly what it looks like. So that's basically it. You insert an image here in a container, okay? And then once you've that created, you have your 3 different slides, and then we can go back here and insert them here. So if you select template, and then you select the template that you want to insert, as you can see, our slide 1 for slide number 1, then 2 and 3 as well, respectively, okay? And once you've done that, you'll end up with 3 different slides. And now how do you link this to your tabs? Well, very easily. As you can see here, we have unique carousel ID. So all you need to do is to create a unique ID. So in our case, we have tab main con, okay? So we can copy this because we're going to need it now again, okay? So now we go back to our tabs here, click on them, and from here we can now connect our tabs to our carousel. So we go to extra options, and right here we have the carousel connection ID. So again, you paste this here, so Ctrl V, so this should be the same, tab main con, okay? And then click update, and now they are both connected. Very good, so let's put this to the test. So let's click on the second tab, and as you can see, this is bringing our second image, and then our third one. Now you may have noticed as well that our background color is also changing along with the image itself. So how can you have the same color as the background of your image? So in our case here, this is red, this is green, and this is beige. So how can you change this color? Very easily. All you need to do is to insert an additional widget. So this one is called raw background. Now, how do you set this up? Well, very easily. All you need to do is to select the option here. So make sure you select carousel background and insert the carousel connection ID. Again, in our case, our unique ID was tab main con. And then right here, you can add the different colors. Again, you're going to create as many colors as you have tabs. So 3 tabs, 3 different colors, obviously, you know. So let's have a look at this one, which is beige. How can you add this one? So this is the one here at the bottom. If you click on this, you basically select your background color, okay? Click on this, select the background, go to your image, and that's basically it. Now, if we quickly go back to our demo here, as you can see, we have the autoplay on. So if you wanted to enable that in the backend, you can do so very easily as well. All you need to do is to click back on your tabs here, okay? You go to extra options and then enable autoplay. So if you click on this, it will start the autoplay basically. As you can see now, it's on.